welcome to the From Sketch to Screen podcast, a podcast that explores the journey of a digital artwork, from a simple sketch to visual that appears on screen. Today, my name is Najwa, and I'm joined by my co-host Radit.
Hello everyone, I'm happy to be back accompanying you on this podcast.
Okay, today we're also joined by two guests, Avi and Kayana, who will share their experience in the digital painting process. Hi Avi, hi Kayana.
Hi Najwa and Radit, I'm glad to be here and share my experience.
Hello everyone, I'm really excited to be part of this podcast.
Let's start from the very beginning, which is idea. How do you usually find initial idea for a digital painting?
Usually, ideas come from simple things like personal experience, music, moods, and film. From there, I develop them into a visual concepts such as the theme, color, sizes, and the message I want to convey.
Okay, that's interesting. Idea can come from daily life and emotion.
Emotion play important role in shaping the concept of an artwork.
That's true. Emotion often become a strong foundation for visuals.
Okay, how about you, Avi?
I think ideas can come from anywhere, like photos or the surrounding environment. Then I develop them in my own style.
So the idea process is flexible. There's no limitation that it has to come from just one source.
Okay, in conclusion, idea don't have to be complicated. The important thing is to develop them consistently. After the idea is formed, we move on to the sketching stage. How important is sketching in digital painting?
Sketching is important because it builds the foundation before adding details.
So sketches are like the basic framework. So the artwork doesn't stray from the concept.
Okay, that's right. Without a clear sketch, the risk of the process can be much more difficult. Once the sketch is done, what's the next step?
Usually, we start with base coloring or color blocking, then continue with shading, lighting, and texture.
Color selection is also important because it determines the mood of the artwork. Whether it feels careful, calm, or mysterious.
Okay, so color isn't just aesthetic, but also about conveying emotion. Okay, at the final stage, what do you usually do?
I usually check small details like lighting and color balance. Sometimes I take a short break can look at the artwork with a fresh perspective.
Asking for feedback from others is also important because we can get input that we didn't notice before.
Okay, that's really important. So the artwork can be more polished. Okay, before we close today's podcast, I have a few words of hope for Avi and Kayana. I hope you will continue to develop your digital painting work and remain consistent in your work.
I also hope that the experiences and journeys you share today will keep growing and someday inspire more people, especially beginners who are just starting to get inspired in digital art.
Okay, thank you for taking the time to join our podcast and share your insight on this podcast.
Thank you very much. Hopefully we can continue from learn and grow.
Amin, thank you. Hopefully, this conversation is useful for the listeners.